name's Carol Basnight with Basnight Garner Real Estate. I'm sitting on the perfect porch in the Promised Land at its best, at 1211 Shepard Street. This house is so much more house than it looks to be from the front porch. It's a cute little porch, perfect for watching the neighbors go by. Come on inside and I'll show you a lot more. The original part of the house has 2 bedrooms and a room that can be used as a bedroom or a small office. And it also has this formal living space with a gas fireplace. Open these doors and you'll find some brand new open living space, perfect for family gatherings. Big open kitchen, great island with a cooktop, another gas fireplace, built-in shelving, just a great space for family living. And take a look at this bright and cheerful master. It is big, especially for these cute little cottages in the Promised Land. It's got 4 big size windows to let lots of light in and a great master bath. Just enough dirt in this backyard patio area to get your hands dirty. And that's not all, folks. Come with me upstairs and I'll show you an additional 1,000 square feet of space that you can make it what you like. It has a full bath and a half bath. Here's a room, you can make it whatever you like. You can fill it full of beds for all your grandchildren. You can make it a game room. You can make it an in-law suite. It has a separate entrance with its own staircase. It's got plenty of storage. This area of Morehead City is blessed with public access at the end of every numbered street. This one on 10th Street has a large parking lot and a boat ramp. Bring your kayak down here and store it. The town of Morehead City will give you a permit, and it's a great addition to the Promised Land neighborhood. You can store your kayaks and sailboats here and just launch them right here on the beach. This cute little waterside park has a picnic table and a bench for just enjoying the Bogue Sound. Come enjoy this quiet little beach at the end of 13th Street. It's a great little place to park your chair and just put your feet in the water.